Sabi, one time mo dumaan yung pumasok yung isang mama. Sabi niya, nakaupo man si Busing dito sa labas. Sabi niya, Nong, asa yung opisina ni Direktor? Sabi ni Busing, puntahan mo lang doon. Punta niya doon. Nakita niya, si Busing pa rin. Oh, ay, ikaw pala sir. Sorry sir, hindi kita nakilala. Yan ang
namiss ko yung attitude mo na masyadong concerned sa empleyado, lalo na sa security ng campus, na you join the security team na mag-ikot sa campus to secure the security of the campus.
Kung saan tandang-tanda po noong 1982 na sama-sama tayong nakikipagbaka doon sa bandang silangan ng campus, kung saan mayroong mga taong gustong angkinin itong part ng campus. At naalala ko pa nung mga panahon yun na nagiging masalimot, nagiging mapanganib dahil mayroong mga armadong tao na gustong angkinin din ang part nitong campus. Ngunit nandiyan ka, pinaglaban mo ito.
That I could still remember when we have gathered in Tanghal building, bringing barbed wire with Mr. Payunan, and with your leadership and with Mr. Haba, encourage us more to be, tawag niyan? Keep us stronger for the upliftment of education in Mindanao, particularly in Santos City.
And I could not forget the kindness and your sympathy on me. You have hired. I was hired during your time, and I could not forget you, sir, as you are so helpful, accommodating, and a good friend. So,
okay, sir, namimiss namin ang towel na dala-dala mo na parating nakapatong sa iyong balikat. Parang ganito,
yung mga, hindi ko makalimutan yung mga kabutihan mo na yung mga nagawa noon, saka yung pakikipagkuhan mo sa mga kagaya naming mga empleyado ng Mindanao State University.
And then, ang narinig natin sa kanya, talagang kahit saan mo siya makita, pwede kang magpapirma sa likod niya, kahit nasa tennis court siya, pwede mo siyang tawagin. Masasabi natin na yung nagpapatutuo sa kasabihan na small is terrible. Talagang magandang halina.
Biga, ganito talaga ang buhay. Kailangan natin harapin. Sabi niya ganun. Magkibaka tayo kung ano man yung binigay ng Diyos sa ating pasalamatan. Yun ang hindi ko talaga malimutan kay tatay. Yung always magpasalamat sa Diyos. Sabi niya ganun sa atin. Na kahit kung kunting biyaya ang matanggap natin, malaki man o maliit, dapat natin itong pasalamatan dahil ito ay bigay ng Allah. Sabi niya ganun.
And sinasabi nila na yung pagtindig ko sa isang meeting na where I praise your administration is one of the reasons kung bakit ako tinanggal. Well, I would like to say, hindi ko pinagsisihan yon. Because as a historian search for the truth. And that was the truth. That was what happened. And the reality is that you as Chancellor have really built this university.
You are a man who do not stop doing things you believe that is right. And of course, I am also it's this privilege to greet you happy birthday to the man who was responsible of creating what is now Mindanao State University in Santa City. Wala kayo, Sir Vince, I don't think we don't have all these 3 campuses we have now. And whatever things that will happen on the later part in the future, the name Abidin Limpo also is still a name that is practically the one who was responsible of making this institution possible. And then, of course, whatever others would say, hindi po kayo mai-risk po sa memory.
We miss a lot sa marami kaming bagay na hindi na ginagawa ngayon. Yung madalas kang nagpatawag ng meeting sa buong university. Sa panahon mo during your administration, I was properly introduced to the community. Ngayon, wala na yan. Wala na yan siya, sir. Wala na yun. Ang hindi ko makalimutan sa yung grabing trabaho natin sa gym. Akala ko ako'y nagtrabaho nag-isa. Paglingon ko, nandyan ka sa likod ko. Grabing pressure ng sir ba? Akala ko ako lang nag-isa nag-direct sa gym, mga 8 o'clock na yung gabi. Paglingon ko, nandun ka pala nanonood sa amin. Ako, talagang on hand ito si Chance. Miss ko na rin yung pagtawag mo sa akin na Don Miguel. That was my first name. Nung tinanggap mo ako dito, I was generally called by you and by Mr. Alican as Don Miguel. Ngayon, wala na yun. Wala na naka-remember noon. And
everybody now is, especially those who are with the Mindanao State University, General Santos, are now reaping the fruits of the struggle. The